Imagine combining the awesomeness of Star Wars with the benefits of aromatherapy. Now, this is going to sound crazy, but I've got 7 amazing blends that you really need to try on this 4th of May. Now, aromatherapy has got that uncanny ability to transport us into different places, bring up different memories. Now, imagine your favourite Star Wars characters or the best scenes in the movie, having a blend that matches that and then being transported into that galaxy far away. Let's get into it. So with the power of aromatherapy, we all know that lavender can calm us, while peppermint can energize us and give us that boost. So whether you're rooting for the rebels or drawn to the dark side, I've got a blend just for you. So first up, we have Darth Vader's Resolute Mix, a blend of musky patchouli, sharp cedarwood, and a hint of smoky vetiver. This represents his complexity as a character. What about Princess Leia's regal essence? Soft floral tones of rose jasmine intertwined with empowering citrus notes. How about Yoda's meditation mantra? A serene mix of chamomile, lavender, and sage. This will help channel the wisdom of the galaxy's most renowned Jedi. And how could we forget Chewbacca's forest freshness? This is a combination of earthy pine, cedar, with eucalyptus undertones that will transport you to the heart of Kaish. So there's some of the characters, but what about some of the most iconic scenes from the movie? Let's start with the planet Hoth. Crisp peppermint and cool eucalyptus mirror the icy terrain of this snowy planet. Next, we transport to the spiciness of Mustafar. Warm cinnamon, clove, and a hint of fiery ginger capture the heat and drama of this volcanic world. And lastly, we have the soothing sands of Tatooine, a calming blend of sandalwood, frankincense, and myrrh to depict the vast desert dunes. So there we go, 7 Star Wars themed diffuser blends that I urge you to try, not just this Saturday, the 4th of May, but at any time that you're watching Star Wars, you're having a binge fest, get the diffuser going. Get those scents going and connect with the galaxy, connect with the characters, connect with the scenes in a way that you've never done before. I really hope you enjoyed this little video. It was a lot of fun, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.